How to add a cookie banner on your GoDaddy website. Easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add a cookie banner on your GoDaddy website. So let's get started. First, you can open up godaddy.com and you will get to the website builder. Inside your website builder, you will be able to edit your website, and we can add different sections, different items to our website to make it look professional. When it comes to adding a cookie banner, it's actually really easy. What you're going to do is you're going to actually navigate to this option right here. We have website theme and settings. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the settings right here. In settings, we have a bunch of different options. What you're going to do is you're going to scroll down a little bit to the analytics and tracking. Inside analytics and tracking, we have cookie banner. So you're going to select this one. You can see this website uses cookies. So it's actually really easy, and this is what it will look like. You can see this is a cookie banner. It already has a text written, and we also have a title. So I don't think we need to kind of like customize it. It looks good. We use cookies to analyze website traffic and optimize your website experience. Okay, fine. Then we have the accept button, and if you want to give a decline button, then you can give one, a choice to your users, or you can just give the accept button. So I'm going to actually add a decline button as well. And then we have advanced tracking option enabled. Once you're done, you think it looks good, then you're going to just click on done right here. So you're going to click on publish. I am clicking on publishing, and my cookie banner will be published. And every time someone visits my website, a customer or a visitor, they will be shown this cookie banner right here, and they will be giving two options of decline and accept. So we have a cookie banner now, which looks like this. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.